Hey guys, welcome to MNMMPT NAATI YouTube channel. Today's video is again a very important one because I will be sharing a few tips or few pointers that every single student whosoever is giving their NAATI exam, doesn't matter whichever language you are giving, because the rules and regulations, the process does not change irrespective of the language. So even if you are giving any other language NAATI exam which we don't teach, that's absolutely fine. I would still recommend you to watch this video so that you know what you should do before your exam and how you should be ready for your exam. So the first point I would here share is read the email thoroughly. You definitely will get an email from NAATI and you have to make sure that you read that email at least twice. You have to read the date, time, everything properly and make a note of it, because they might give you a time in the email which does not match with your time. For example, if you live in Adelaide, for example, and the time there says AEST time, 11 a.m. AEST time, you have to understand that for you it's 10:30 in Adelaide. So make that conversion for yourself and understand what is the correct time for you. Second thing I would say is the correct spot. You have to make sure that you decide way before the exam that where are you going to sit and give your exam. Is it inside your house or somewhere else? If it is inside your house, you have to understand that you let others know that you are going to give an exam so they don't have to disturb you. Lock your door so that nobody comes inside that room, and make sure nobody is disturbing you when you give that exam, because the exam is really short, 20 minutes. You won't even realize before your exam is actually over. So for 20 minutes, finding a quiet place, peaceful place should not be a difficult job. Just make sure that's a peaceful place so that you can concentrate on taking notes and speaking and giving your exam perfectly. So a good spot is very important. Next is a good internet connection. Make sure you check your internet connection, your Wi-Fi connection before your exam, the night before your exam, even a few hours before your exam, just to be certain that while you give the exam there is no interruption or there is no lagging or anything like that, because it can interrupt your exam and it can result in giving the exam again or maybe a lesser score. The next thing I would say is documents. Please make sure that you have your original passport ready when you sit for your exam. A photocopy, a Xerox copy will not work. Make sure you have your original passport. If you don't have it, you have to email NAATI in advance and ask them if there is anything that you can replace with passport, maybe an Australian driving license or maybe any other document. But for that, even I will email NAATI in advance and take their confirmation that okay, if you don't have passport, you can use so and so document. So just don't assume things that because so and so person or maybe your friend got that chance that okay, he can show that driving license, it will be same thing applicable to you. You never know if the rules have changed. The rules change here and there. You have no idea. So please make sure you are organized in advance. Now there is a Proctor exam video that is available. The link of that video is in the description below. So please go to the description below, click on that link and watch that video, and if possible take notes, because in a nutshell that video will give you an idea of how the exam will look like and all that, and what things you need to keep in mind to be prepared about the exam. That video is very important and it is given by NAATI, so you should definitely watch it. Also, I would emphasize that a night before your exam, doesn't matter whichever language you give exam in, you should revise all the vocabulary words. And the day you are giving exam, doesn't matter whatever time you are giving exam, it can be early in the morning, afternoon, evening, night, does not matter. Make sure that at least 1 hour before the exam, you sit and do one dialogue, so that your hands, your brain, your system is in that motion, is in that phase and is used to taking notes and understanding the dialogue and speaking it out. If you straight away wake up and do other stuff and straight away go and sit in the exam, sometimes you might have that freeze moment. You might get stuck, you don't know what to do, because it has happened with a few students and I have seen it. So please make sure you do that warm up by practicing at least one dialogue just before the exam. Also, if you want to make sure that your exam goes well and you do a great job in exam, you get your scores done in the first trial because it's an expensive exam, please practice a lot. If you want help regarding NAATI Hindi or Punjabi, we are there to help you. For other languages, make sure you go to somewhere else. Very soon we are coming up with NAATI Gujarati as well. So if you are looking for NAATI Gujarati, don't worry, we are coming up soon with that content as well. But apart from these languages, do make sure that you're going to a reliable source of information. And if you need help regarding Hindi, Punjabi or Gujarati, you can always contact us over here in YouTube, or you can text us on Facebook Messenger searching for MNMMPT NAATI, and we'll see what's the best possible way to help you. Because NAATI, I believe that there are two important things that you need to keep in mind if you really want to clear this exam. Number one is you listen to the correct person who teaches NAATI or who has the experience of teaching NAATI, not someone who has just gone and given the exam and maybe they have passed. There is a difference between a teacher's perspective and a student's perspective. So please understand that, because my experience will not always be your experience. So just don't go by anyone else's experience, I would say. Also, consistency. If you practice a lot every single day, then your exam will definitely be good and you will be confident when you sit for your exam. If you don't practice and take this exam lightly, thinking that this is my mother tongue, this is my language, I'll manage it, it's not that straightforward and easy. Believe me, you will mess up if you haven't practiced, and there have been a lot of students who face a lot of trouble because of the overconfidence. So select the right path for yourself and get in touch with us if you need any help. Also, there is a prediction file available for Hindi and Punjabi at this stage, and Gujarati coming up soon. If you want those exam dialogues, you can always get in touch with us and we are happy to share that with you. With that, I'll take your leave and practice hard, and if you have any problems, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Bye for now.